along Texas Flat Road. I still want everybody in Diamond Head to be in their safe spot, but this spot along Texas Flat Road, just between I-10 and Texas Flat Road, moving off to the north, that is going to be a spot that we're watching a little bit closer, where you have that little bit of a notch. That could be showing where there's some rotation. Even though it's not showing up well on our velocity and wind direction, that does not mean that something is not there. So once again, that's moving off to the north. I'm going to go ahead and scroll the radar up just to the north a bit so we can get a better idea of what could be ahead of this. Looking at spots like northern Hancock County and southern Pearl River County, there's Highway 43 there, right as it goes all the way up to the Hancock-Pearl River County line. If you're in that area, you may not be in the tornado warning polygon, but you need to be in your safe spot. We're talking about areas just east of Santa Rosa. If you live east of Santa Rosa, east of 607, along Texas Flat Road, you need to be in a safe spot away from windows, exterior walls. If you live in a mobile home, you need to find a safe spot to be. This storm is actually going to pass really close to the Kill. So if you live near the Kill, the western side of the Kill, or maybe even just downtown, if you live in a mobile home or a home that may not do well against high winds, you need to find a place to be right now and find a safe spot, because this is where this storm is going to be crossing, kind of just where Texas Flat Road is, right near where 603 and 43 is, there just through the Kill. Diamond Head is another spot that we're watching closely, because once again, we may have some rotation right here as it moves off to the north. This tornado warning, if you're just tuning in, is until 11:45 a.m., making its way towards portions of Diamond Head and the Kill. And if anybody in the back gets any information in, AAA, if you could go ahead and go into the newsroom and ask them if they've heard any information about if there has been any damage. Thank you. We're going to try to get the latest info in, and so we just heard that there's actually no reports of damage at the moment. Good news there. But the National Weather Service has said that there have been sightings of a tornado, and there was also a confirmed water spout in Pass Christian. So this shower has made its way up to the north. As it intensified over the water, that's when that water spout formed and then made its way on shore. Once again, moving on off towards Diamond Head, the Kill, Texas Flat Road, 43 and 603, north of Shoreline Park now along 43 and 603. We're talking about areas right where it's on I-10, 43 and 603, and Texas Flat Road. And then, of course, Diamond Head 2, because we heard that the confirmed water spout was right through there. We're working on getting video for you of that as well, by the way. So all spots that we're watching pretty closely. I mean, the tornado warning does not extend too far, into Hancock County. Mainly, it's just right along I-10, and then for areas just to the north of the Kill. So it does not extend too far on off to the north, but it is going to be something that we're watching closely for the areas where it's at the moment. Now, right where the rotation is that we're thinking is going to be just west of where Lazy Magnolia Brewery is. So that's what we're watching there. Here's a quick look. This is what we've been tracking here. This is likely that funnel that may have produced a tornado that the National Weather Service saw to issue this tornado warning. We actually have video of this as well. I think we're still working on getting it up for everyone, so we'll have it in just a moment. But once again, we're watching two spots that could have a possible tornado with it. That's this notch right here. You notice this area, Diamond Head, right at the Diamond Head exit on I-10, headed on up towards the north from the southern side of the exit off to the north. That's one spot that we're watching there, the very eastern portions of Hancock County. We're also watching a spot just south of Texas Flat Road, right between I-10 and Texas Flat Road, moving off to the north. If you live west of 603 and 43, you need to be in your safe spot. If you live east of it even, you need to be in it, from Diamond Head to the Kill, because that's the other spot of rotation that we are watching here pretty closely. It's going to continue off to the north once again at 10 miles per hour, so it is not moving very quickly, but it is definitely something we want to take seriously if you do live in those areas. Wait just a second, guys. I'm going to pop back up velocity. I'm trying to find this area of rotation that could be a little bit more significant. Excuse me, everyone. I'm battling a cough. Right here along Texas Flat Road and 603, 43 in the Kill, just west of it. That's the spot we're watching a little bit more closely. Another spot right here, it looks like there could be something, but actually I don't think that's going to be an issue. Let's talk more about right here. That's where we've been trying to see a bit more rotation within this system as it moves off to the north. Now, the rotation has not been very significant within it, but once again, we did have the reports of the confirmed tornado. Just because we're not seeing very good rotation does not mean that there is nothing there.